Hello. Today I will give you information about Healthnet Provider Portal. Healthnet is a platform that provides health insurance services for individuals and businesses. It provides a portal that simplifies access to health services by providing comprehensive plans to insured people, while also simplifying management for doctors, hospitals, and healthcare providers. Providers can access patient information, manage insurance claims, and track payment process through this portal. Let's not forget to like for more videos like this. To access the HealthNet Provider Portal, first go to the official website and click on the Provider Login section. If a record has not been created before, a new user registration can be completed and account information can be created. Through the portal, healthcare professionals can check their patients' insurance coverage, submit insurance claims, and create authorization requests for transactions that require prior approval. In addition, it is possible to manage payment and billing processes through the portal. Providers can track payments made and view the status of transactions. This provides great convenience for healthcare providers because it helps speed up transactions and minimize errors. At the same time, thanks to the support services in the portal, it is possible to contact customer service in case of any problems and get the necessary help. The Healthnet Provider Portal is a very practical tool for those who provide services in the health sector. It makes business processes more efficient by offering advantages such as instantly checking patients' insurance coverage, speeding up transactions, and tracking payments.